Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kim, America's Holistic Foot Doctor. In this video, you meet my patient whom I have not seen for 4.5 years. Her nails started growing sideways and became extremely painful. Let's see how I can cut these sideways growing thick nails. Right?
Yes.
And then the nails started growing like sideways here. So, and then you have pain here, right?
Yes.
So we're just gonna clean it out and then send the samples to see if it's fungus. Same thing going on this side. It's going west here. We're going wild west, okay? Both of them right now. So I'm gonna be very gentle. I'm gonna go slow, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go very slow and let me know if you feel pain.
I will. Thank you.
Okay. There you go. Let's kind of lift it up there. Let me know if you feel it. So I haven't seen you.
Yes, I do.
Oh.
But it's fine.
Fine? Okay. Let me know. And then I haven't seen you like almost 4.5 years.
I know.
That's a long time to keep away from me.
I have missed you.
Yeah, well, your nail wasn't like this, but all of a sudden it's going sideways, huh?
Yep.
How long it's been going like this? It wasn't like this before.
Correct. It's been like this for a few years.
But you don't know what happened. Anything happened to it?
No.
Or no?
I thought it was
The surgery?
infection. No,
Oh, infection?
Yeah.
Oh, fungus.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could do that, but it usually gets thick. They don't go sideways like this. Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Sorry, I'm going slow. Very gently. It's kind of loose.
Yeah.
It's loose underneath it. Are you able to wear? Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Are you able to wear shoes?
Yeah. Well, then I only wear athletic shoes. Oh my goodness, the top of the toe.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
I need a bigger tool. So I'll go. I try not to hurt you, but it's better.
Yeah.
Hi, it's me again. Hope you've been enjoying this video so far. If you have, leave the word sideways nails in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm just gonna grind from here. Oh, sorry. I'll just grind it down because it's too painful. Okay, let's go over here. Sorry.
That's okay.
I know. You haven't been here so long. And that's why.
Yeah, I missed you.
I know.
Missed you.
We needed it like sooner, you know, because when it gets thick like this, it's pretty tender to cut, you know.
I know. For a while, I was in so much pain I could hardly drive.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
For 2 years.
Yeah.
I'm still having trouble driving.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm.
So you drove here, though?
Yeah.
Does Arnie usually drive you around?
He doesn't have time.
Oh, he's busy, huh?
Yeah, he's extra busy.
He's always busy, though.
I know.
I always known him. He's always been busy.
Yep. He even went to...
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. He even went to the state of Washington for 2 weeks.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, that's why he hasn't gone to physical therapy yet.
Oh,
He
okay.
got-
Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna grind it all down.
All right.
Let me know if it hurts, okay?
Okay.
You don't wear tight shoes though, do
No,
you?
I do not.
Yeah, that's why it's surprising the nails been growing this way. You know? Unless there's some extra pressure somewhere. You think you'll be able to start therapy on the other foot?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, the therapy is right here, right along the other side of the hospital.
Oh, is it Memorial?
It's not Memorial, it's in a private office, but they have a really good therapy machine that can help you with your tendon problem.
Is that the place where you recommended me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, have you been there?
No, I have not.
Oh, you heard about it? He started going, right? He started going.
Not yet. He's been busy with work and
Oh, I see.
he's been workaholic.
I know, he's a busy guy. Yeah, what do you think? Looks better, huh?
Yeah, but yeah, it is much better.
Yeah. And I'll send these nails for sampling, okay?
Yeah.
To see what kind of fungus and I'll give you some medicine for that, okay? Have you tried our hyperbaric oxygen treatment?
What?
Yeah? How'd you like it?
Oh, I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, because that really helps with fatigue.
Really?
Yeah. That's really, really good for fatigue. Gives you energy. Because oxygen's everything, you know?
Yeah.
Do you have sleep apnea? Did they ever test it?
Yeah.
Did they ever test it?
Yes.
Oh, did they give you a machine?
Yeah, but I can't wear the machines. I already have dry mouth.
Oh, I see.
And I can't sleep with it, so
Oh,
I using it.
that's why you're fatigued, because you're not getting enough oxygen.
Even before I had sleep apnea, I had the fatigue.
Oh, yeah, well, that's from the autoimmune problem, yeah? Yeah. Okay.
Oh my goodness, looks better. Still ugly, but
At least it's not thick where it's
yeah.
causing problem right there. Okay?
Yes.
So, very good, Marsha.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see in this video, sometimes a fungus or trauma can make the nails grow sideways. And they're quite challenging to cut, as you can see here, very difficult. Until then, be educated, get empowered, encourage others today.